Hi, it's Junk Journaling Jen, and I'm back with another video. So this is a donation, a gift, you could call it. Happy Meal. Well, it's not really Happy Meal because it didn't come in the mail. She came and dropped it off. So anyways, a friend of mine is helping a good friend of hers clean out her house. And anyways, I had some Christmas stuff that I've been working with, and then she dropped off. So I've been working with a little bit of it, but then I had to go through the rest of the donation. So I wanted to check this stuff in as, you know, hey, got some goodies. So look at this paper, wrapping paper, Christmas. And right now I'm doing that challenge. It's the A to Z Christmas craft. No, A to Z of Christmas crafts, or A to Z of Christmas crafts. And so I've been using some of this paper. Look at this paper. I love this paper. And I can tell, I mean, it's pretty, I know it doesn't look like it in the camera, but it's really yellow, a lot of these paper. Then I got the snow flake on the craft paper, and it's really thin. It's really a cool texture. Okay, so this is what I did. I went through everything. I broke it down. Some stuff I cut. There were a ton of bags, and so what I do is I just cut all of the ribbon off. So here's a little Bible, and it's gold, which is so cool. Okay, so we got a Bible there, and then a lot of this ribbon was just in a bag. So cool. I kind of divvied it up into colors like greens, yellows, cream, some lace down there, peach. So I kind of divvied them up into colors. Cool. Because I got to get organized. I've had so many donations and Happy Mail. So then again, so there was a cool bag. And so I cut this off the bag so then I can use them for ephemera for Christmas. And then here's some more of, this is a lot of lace. Is this whole thing lace? Yep, this whole thing. So I cut all this off the bags. So some of these bags were like Bellagio and what is this one? Sephora, and you know, so I'll use some of the ribbon. I don't know about this one, but I didn't see that it had Sephora on there. Wow. Yep. So we'll see. But a lot of ribbon. And look how cute these are. They were just, I got rid of the bag, but I kept those. So ribbon, got a lot of ribbon and lace. Okay, so I'm going to take that out of the way. Okay. And then I'm going to just skip over real quick to some fabrics. So that one. And this one. So I gotta put those all into inventory out in the garage. Look at this one. Isn't that interesting color? So much. So much. So if you're interested in any of this burgundy, isn't that cool for Christmas? Then there's this white, which really just, it's so thin. Makes you wonder. It's like seems like a top cover. Then we have this kind of goldish, it's a shirt, but look at the pattern. Isn't that cool? Actually, I think I'm gonna use this today on something. And then this yellow, isn't this fun? Look at that. How pretty is that? Look how beautiful. I just love yellow. So yellow. Here's another. These are so thin. I'll open them all the way up later. I think they were curtains, she said. And then a tablecloth for Christmas. Look at this. Look at that for a book. So I think I'm going to have to make a Christmas book out of that. Isn't it pretty? Wow, it looks really pretty on camera. It's gorgeous. So maybe I'll make some Christmas books for, yeah. Okay, so these are the fabrics. Okay, that's a lot. I mean, I've gone through so much. It's amazing what she gave. Okay, real quick. She also had a chandelier. And they were getting rid of it. So look at these. And guys, there's so many. So I don't know if anyone has an idea. I know I can hang them from a journal, not like just buying. That's too much, but maybe, you know. And see, they're on those. I forgot what you call them at the moment. It's almost like what you put your keys on. So anyways, there's a whole bunch. Look at this. There's so many. So, I don't know. Some stuff I may have to eventually put on my website in the shop. Because you just never know what people will like, right? Okay, so there's that. And then this got really cool. So let's go here first. So she had buttons like in just a hue, like all these bags. They would look like this. Like that. See that? This is all sequence, so it's just all together. There's some button stuff in there, but it's mostly sequence. And so I just took all the buttons out. And let me show you guys. Look at these buttons. Some of them are just like, look at that. Huge button. But there were these one buttons. Look at these. Aren't those cool? I mean, some of the most glamorous buttons. I know it doesn't look like it, but man, there's a whole, and there's some super old buttons in here. I know there's some, like I saw BB. Some fabric buttons. So, buttons, lots of fabric buttons. I mean, lots. They're so cool. Even that's fabric. Okay, so buttons. That was fun. Then my girlfriend, she's always thinking, so she gave me these 2 boxes. She knows I'll cover that up. But it helps me keep my little Christmas stuff. And then these are all the cards that I've cut up for ephemera. So cards and just Christmas stuff that I've kept over the years and little scriptures that go with Christmas. See? And this box smells so good. It smells like cranberry. So all the little ephemera, see? Those are all from cards. And I just use all those. So look at that. Isn't that cool? That came off a card. All right, so there's that. So these are my boxes. You'll be seeing me if I, you know, build something live. You'll see me using those. And then let's move over to this real quick. Put those to the side. So look at this, guys. So these are all the ones you would, it's like sequins. And then there's some like crocodile things. Look at this old Las Vegas box. Isn't that cute? Growing up, everyone had one of those. It's crazy. Especially living here. I tell you. Then there was like, right? Neiman Marcus tag. Isn't that fun? But look at these. Aren't those cool? They're a little banged up, but then a different kind of button. So, some cool stuff there. Okay, I'm gonna put that to a side. Moving right along. Okay, little box, another little box. That'll be cute. I'll use that for small ephemera. And then this was a little bit of a shocker. Okay, so I love these cute bags because they're just random, right? I can use those. With one little tiny piece of this. Cute, huh? Then this tissue. Oh, that's what I forgot. Oh, I do have one box. Okay, tissue. I'm going to put it here so we grab the tissue next. So these are like 2011, Merry Christmas 2011, and they're like American Lung Association, and they're like little stamps. I thought those were interesting. And so anyways, I'm not sure. And then those are just regular, you know, gift tags. Little piece of fabric. And then all of this is like all old, and you can tell, Christmas paper. And they're all folded sheets, poinsettias, and they all say different things inside. Some say weird things and some are blank. This one's blank. Like this one, I think it's just a piece. Let's see. But this is very retro. Cool, huh? And then all these different papers. Can you see those? Yeah. Cool, right? These are all wrapping paper for Christmas. Look at this. I love this. So cool. Oops. Peace and joy. And like this one says something totally different on the inside. That's this. It says Christmas, Noel, Joy. And this one's blank. But aren't these cool? This one had some weird writing in it. Let's see. Blank. So cool, huh? This is definitely a company that always said, I love this. Isn't that cool? I think it's because I made a journal just that color too. I really like that. Not a journal, but a folio. Made my first folio. Cute, huh? So Christmas paper, which is just like so much of it. Amazing. That is amazing to have that kind of variety. And what a great idea to have it folded up, because like, what's the diff, right? What's the difference? Okay, tissue. Let's do that real quick. Okay. I mean, just huge box of tissue. And I just wanted to show you, I thought I would use this for filler for the Christmas time here. Shipping. But look at this tissue. Is this gorgeous? I love it. And there's a nice little amount of it. Oh, see? Bellagio. And it's really nice tissue paper. I know. See? Isn't that cool? I love this. It's gorgeous. And then these like kind of, there's like a whole bunch of squares. I like that. So what I noticed, so I put all the pattern stuff on top. I tried to. Silver, gold. Oh, I need to use that. Juicy Couture. Isn't that interesting? Silver. But great for Valentine's Day, right? And then blue, green. Yeah, look at that. Love that. So, and then it goes into all solid colors. And I'm talking every single color is in here. From burgundy to peach to blue to coral. I mean, I've gone through all of it. And there is every color and stripes and polka dots. And it just keeps going. And there's silvers, like different silvers. Like this is a silver, but then that's a different one. Look at it, just keeps going, guys. Keep going, keep going. Isn't that awesome? So good. Because I'm all about recycling, and it's the thing. I want to reuse some stuff. So I'm gonna put this back on top for now. So we know what we have. So that was a blessing. And here's some more filler and some more bows. And real quick, here's some more filler. See, guys, it just keeps coming. Because I went through half of it a couple days ago. Some more ribbons. Aren't those beautiful? Just really fantastic stuff. Blessing. So nice to not have to. It's just nice to have a variety, and I didn't have to seek and find it. It's all just boom. It just came to me. So I'm just so grateful to God. I am. Tissue. Gosh, I love it. So blessed. Okay, here we go. So this is it. This is the last thing to show you. I can't believe I went through everything that she dropped off. It's amazing. So I love this bag. I'll use it and I'll just cut those off. So I got a few holiday bags here. Whoops. Okay. Now what I do is, if I like a card and like this has a bookmark and I like the belly band effect, I'll keep the card as a template. So some of these cards I just kept as a template too. I just kept the fronts. Some of them I kept the back and the front. But like this one. Did I keep? Yeah. Yep. But I gutted it. So I took everything out, kept the front because I thought this was so cool. See that around there? Isn't that cool? So that's what I did there. Another cool card, blue card. And so how did I do this? This is a bag. Oh, this is more wrapping paper. We'll put that on the side. This is, I only have one thing to show you guys where she gave me like a normal, just like a batch of normal stuff. So look at these envelopes. I absolutely love these. Look at those. They're already antiqued all over the edge, these little ones. Then they're antiqued on the edge there. And then there's literally tissue that's already cut for all of them. So that was a great donation. Those are all antiqued. Whoop, those aren't. Wow. Maybe they weren't originally antique. They just somehow got yellow. Hey, I like them. I love them. Okay, so those are there. This is a bag, which that goes in the normal. And then these are all the cards that I just kept. So I could use them for ephemera. I could, you know, fill them differently. Just things, some cards. You know how cards are. There's so many of them. So many, so many, so many. I also thought this was a great idea. You have your envelope and your card and you have it like that. This was just like genius idea. Here's all envelopes, and a lot of them don't have friends to go with. They're just by themselves. And then these are all, yeah, these are all blanks. Blank envelopes. Yay. So guys, we got through it. This was the Christmas edition of this donation here. Such a blessing. And so, yeah, I just wanted to preview this to you guys. A lot of this stuff you're getting ready to see in the makings. We started that A to Z of Christmas crafts, and it's just moving along. I feel like it's almost getting ready to be over. It went so fast. It's been fun though. And so hopefully I'll get to use a couple of things that are left here. And so we'll see. Yay. So nice seeing you guys. And, well, I didn't see you, but thanks for tuning in and looking at all this great Christmas stuff that I got in. And I will see you guys in the very next one. And hopefully that'll be me showing you everything that I've been making up until this point. So have a beautiful, blessed day, and I will see you soon. Thanks. Please share, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Be blessed.